Hi, my name is Kelly Francis. I teach fifth grade and a section of sixth grade social studies here at Blue Valley Middle School in Randolph, Kansas. We are a very tiny 1A school. So on top of teaching, I do all sorts of other things. I'm a volleyball coach. Um, I'm on DLT, district leadership team. I'm on negotiations team. Um, I am student council advisor. I know there's other things that I do. Being such a small district, we all kind of chip in and do multiple things. Um, I am currently seeking a degree in uh, instructional technology. Technology within my district is getting better. We are going from one-on-one iPads at the high school to one-on-one Chromebooks, and we're hoping to continuously add more technology. Um, I feel the technology at my building, the middle school, is a little lacking. We have 30 laptops for about 50 students. My classroom did have a set of 15 laptops that was donated from the university, Kansas State University, a couple years ago, and they were already old by the time they came to my classroom, so they have since died. And so I'm working with some computers that are older. Last year we just updated to brand new MacBook Airs for the students. No, I believe they're new this year. So technology is getting better for within my district, and I'm excited to see where we go as far as growing with technology. Um, what I want to take away from this class are better ways to introduce instruction to my classroom. I know that I'm always trying to find better ways to deliver content to my students, and I'm hoping to learn better and more informative ways so that students can learn as much as they can. I'm excited to learn from my fellow students in this course over the next 8 weeks. Good luck.